A fast programming languages means that programs can be made more quickly, which, in turn, means that bugs can be fixed more quickly. The ultimate goal of programming languages speed comparison is to test how fast each programming language executes its code and compare the results. It is essential to develop the same program in different languages to compare programming languages objectively. They must be given the same problem to solve. This gives us an idea of how long each one takes to accomplish the specific tasks. So, what is the fastest programming language? Here in this video are 3 factors in determining it. So, let's see one after another. Okay. 1. In computer programming, the factor you need to consider is whether the language supports multi-threading, which allows a program or task to be divided into different functions that can run simultaneously. Therefore, if you are writing a program that calculates big data sets or does data analysis, this ability to run the program using several cores at once will increase speed. 2. Another critical factor is how fast your computer can run your code. A programming language with a quicker execution time means more processing power of the CPU and better performance, which makes it the fastest programming language performance. 3. Another factor is how fast your code executes through the compiler, translator. Code that requires more time to compile, such as an entire program or a project, will make it longer for it to start running after compilation because the computer needs to read and interpret every line of code before running it. This slows down and start requires that the programming language has a fast startup time or shorter compilation time. Understanding these factors to compare the fastest programming language in the world can help you decide which one to use depending on your project type. This is all about this video. Let's meet another time. Thanks for watching.